If you're tired of searching YouTube looking for videos of lean manufacturing, I'm about to save you a lot of time. I've been collecting lean YouTube videos for years, and my list is yours totally for free. Just click the link below to learn more. In addition to YouTube's Best, you'll also get access to the Lean Smarts Academy, a video training academy for making learning lean simple and fun. You'll never have to go looking again for another lean video. I created all of this because years ago, I was, perhaps you, I had to train everybody in my organization about lean. And it took me hundreds of hours to research, design, and deliver training to over 300 employees. The fact of the matter is a lot of the stuff out there is kind of boring and kind of complicated. So that's why I created the Lean Smarts Academy to save you the time and confusion of compiling your own resources. Click the link below now to learn more and sign up.